Hi there, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious butternut squash soup. It is an amazing recipe, perfect for fall, perfect for the holidays. I am holding, this is one piece of equipment you must have. You need to have an immersion blender to make this soup because everything, it's super simple. Everything is going into one pot. Once the soup is cooked, we want to blend it up while it's still hot. If you don't have an immersion blender, then you can certainly cool the soup and put it in a blender. You just want it to be all pureed and it looks like a beautiful yellow, gorgeous yumminess. This recipe is so simple. I love it because everything goes into one pot. All you need is 2 pounds of beautiful butternut squash. You can buy this already packaged, cut up, peeled, and done at any grocery store. You need 1 onion diced. You need about 1 cup of, I like to use corn, like sweet white frozen corn. So we didn't quite get white today, but we got sweet corn. Okay, some olive oil for the bottom of your pan, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and my secret amazing, yummy and amazing ingredient, 2 teaspoons of chipotles in adobo. I love these. They make it have such a beautiful kick. And then 4 cups of chicken stock. So let's throw it all in the pot and let's get going. Here we go. Okay, so we have everything prepped for the butternut squash soup and I'm going to get going. I'm going to start with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic first. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the onions down until they're translucent. So far we have olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and 1 onion diced. Just gonna cook it down until the onions look translucent. Then we're gonna put in our chicken stock and our squash, and we're going to leave it on medium simmer, I guess, simmer to medium for about 15 minutes until the butternut squash gets soft. But I need these onions to cook down for about 2 more minutes. So my onions are now translucent. I'm going to add the butternut squash just quickly, and then I'm going to put in the chicken stock. This is beautiful fresh sage. Oh my goodness, it smells so great. It pairs so well with butternut squash. Don't mind my dogs, sorry about that. Can't control them. 4 months of training each and they still, anyways. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna cut this sage up. This is gonna be the garnish for my butternut squash soup. It just gives it that amazing wintry, herby, yummy flavor. Oh, I just love it. All right. Beautiful sage garnish for your butternut squash soup. The soup is cooking. It'll need about 10 more minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so my squash has been boiling for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the corn. Just get that corn in there. Okay. Then I want to add 2 teaspoons. If you like spice, you can do more, but I'm just gonna do 2 teaspoons of chipotles in adobo. It just gives it a nice pop to this dish, to this soup. I'm just gonna give it a stir, and we're gonna let that lightly boil for another 5 minutes, and then it will be ready for blending, and then we can plate it. Smells so good. Gives me joy. So the butternut squash now is nicely softened. It's been boiling at like a medium-high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. I have a puppy in here. Do you want to help me? Okay, you want some butternut squash? Okay, so the next thing you do is you're gonna get your, I'm slurring because I'm tired and hungry. Anyways, you want your immersion blender ready. If you don't have one, then just cool the soup and put it in your regular blender. But if you do have one, by the way, this is an amazing investment. You're just gonna put it in, go all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna hit the unlock and the little button. I'm just gonna work my way around the soup. So I'm just going around the soup with my immersion blender, just getting it completely broken down. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna add my fresh sage and plate it. I think that's good. All right. So now I'm just gonna garnish with sage into my entire pot because I actually just mixed this in. I guess it's not a garnish at this point, but I just think a little bit of green and the sage gives it such an amazing fresh flavor. My husband isn't a fan of sage, and the last time I made this and I didn't put the sage in, he was like, it doesn't taste the same. I said, I didn't put the sage. He said, oh my gosh, I love it with the sage. He didn't even realize. So sage is very delicious, by the way. Okay, so now we're just gonna put it in our, oh, here we go. And here you have it, my butternut squash soup with fresh sage. Thank you for watching.